So I'm going to show you which plug to disconnect in order to depin the brake switch wire. This wire tells the ECU when you're hitting the brakes. So when you're hitting the brakes and hitting the gas at the same time, the ECU usually cuts your power. So what we're going to do is disconnect the wire. That way the ECU won't know you're on the brakes. So the plug you want to disconnect is the plug out here. It's the one that's furthest from the firewall. There's 3 plugs there. 1, 2, 3. You want to disconnect this one. This is where the wire's in. What the? How do you do that? It looks so easy.
And there's your harness. See these 2 little clips right here.
Let me see.
This little square clip.
You just pull it out.
It just pops out, and then this piece slides back.
Oh, awesome.
Now you have access to all this.
Right, so now we gotta find a pink wire to disable the brake switch so we can do fucking burnouts.
Fucking burnouts.
Which is
So if you look right here, we got this pink wire next to this black wire and above the red and green wire.
yeah.
So this is pink wire is the one we want. It's right here. It's this inside one. So you just take this pin out. See this clip on the side? Pop that out, push this down, and then you can get to the same clip like this on the inside. You have to go through here.
It's got wires on the inside, right?
Right.
So you want to take out the outside one to get to the inside one?
And then you can unlock it and then just push it out.
Oh, okay.
So let's see if I can get on it and push it out the rest of the way.
Let's push it out.
So there it is. Here's our wire.
Very nice.
Try not to take the black wire out with it. So there's our pink wire.
There it is.
And now we can push our black wire back in. Or the green one is the second one that we pushed out, actually. Just get that guy back in there, and bam.
Alright.
Depin.
We'll just tape up that wire so we don't get short, and then just put everything back together. We'll go for a spin. Top the brakes. Nice. So the brake still works with this mod. You can brake boost and standing burnouts.